Kendo. Here's a 1-2. High fly ball to right. Back at the track. This ball is gone. A 2-run home run for Saltilamaquia and the first runs of the night. They belong to the Red Sox, who lead 2-0. Home run number 12, and that's got Samardzija shaking his head.
You know, he got away with that first splitter up. Saltilamaquia swinging and missing to get to 2 strikes. So that's a mistake he got away with. The second splitter, Saltilamaquia said, I'll handle this one myself. And he put the Red Sox up.
So the good year continues for Saltilamaquia. And with nobody on or out, Middlebrooks takes a pitch up and away, ball 1.